Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone and welcome. Good morning all of you. This is Ashima, your current affairs and banking awareness faculty, and in this platform and this video we'll be talking about all the major news events and current affairs. All the important events are going to be discussed in highlights form so that more and more news events are covered in less and less time possible, so that you get all the major updates and in less time possible. Let's begin the discussion. But before that, you can download Entri app from the link which is provided below. And once you download that, you will be getting an access to free quizzes and free study material, high quality quizzes and high quality study material completely free of cost, which will help you in your preparation and help you give an extra edge to that. So beginning with that, we'll be starting with the first news event that is related to NABARD. NABARD has sanctioned 2,891.15 lakh crore rupees to Goa under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund or RIDF. Now, why has this fund been sanctioned or why has this loan been sanctioned is because for the development, or you can say the construction of phase 2 building of Goa Dental College and Hospital, which is going to be built in Bambolim in Goa. Now, it's going to definitely help improve the health standards of the state. But when we talk about RIDF, RIDF itself was set up in 1995-96 and was set up by Government of India, and it offers low cost financial assistance to all the state governments and state owned corporations so that the developmental infrastructural work, agricultural sector development, social sector development, rural sector development, all of that can happen. Now, RIDF is maintained by NABARD or is given out by NABARD. Current chairperson of NABARD is G.R. Chintala or Govind Rajulu Chintala. So G.R. Chintala is the current chairperson of NABARD. Going ahead with the next news event, that is Matsya Setu app. Now, talking about this app, it was launched by the Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, that is Giraj Singh. He had recently launched this app, and in this it's an online course mobile app for Indian aqua farmers. So this app basically is for overall development of the aqua farmers of India and has been developed by ICAR, Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, which is in Bhubaneswar. And in this, what is going to be there are subject wise, species wise patterns which offer the self-learning online course modules in form of small videos. Then there are quizzes or tests for self-assessment after each chapter, and it is going to have information about all the commercially important fishes like carp, catfish, scampi, murrel, pearl farming, seed production, breeding of fishes, growing them or culture of fishes. Everything is going to be discussed. There are modules specifically for that, and post modules there are going to be quiz options as well. Now, after completing the module, there is also going to be an e-certificate which is going to be auto generated. The funds which have been received for development of this are from National Fisheries Development Board, which is based in Hyderabad. Next is Ministry of Cooperation. This is a new ministry which has been created by central government recently. And in this, there is going to be a separate administrative, legal, and policy framework for strengthening the cooperative movement of the country. Now, what do you mean by cooperative? Cooperative are people-centered enterprises which are owned, controlled, and run by and for the members who have joined it. So they have a common economic, common social, and common cultural needs for which these cooperatives are set up. This new ministry is created by BJP for realizing their vision of Sahakar se Samriddhi. Sahakar means a cooperative, Samriddhi means prosperity. So, cooperative prosperity is the reason or the vision under which this new ministry has been created. Now, this ministry is going to be handled as per the new cabinet allocation, for which the video has already been done. This ministry has been given to the current Home Minister, that is Amit Shah ji. He has this additional charge. Next, a few one-liners. Razorpay, in partnership with MasterCard, has launched Mandate HQ. It is a payment interface which is going to help card issuing banks to enable recurring payments for their customers. So, for better recurring payments, this app has been created. Razorpay has partnered with MasterCard for this, and we also need to note that RBI has already issued a framework for processing all the e-mandates on recurring online transactions. Now, the product by Razorpay is a step in this direction and complies with the framework as well. Ministry of Tourism has entered into an MOU with Yatra. So both are going to work on system for assessment, awareness and training for hospitality industry or Sathi on the online travel agency OTA platform. Now, furthermore, we have a Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports which has decided to offer recognition to WACO, India Kickboxing Federation, as a National Sports Federation NSF. It's going to help and promote and develop the kickboxing sport in India altogether. Ramgarh Vishtari Sanctuary, which is in Bundi, Rajasthan, it has been recognized as the fourth tiger reserve of Rajasthan. So overall, there are currently 102 tigers in the state, and there are 4 tiger reserves in the state. Indian Army has inducted the first production batch of 12 short span bridging system of 10 meters. It's designed and developed by DRDO and Larsen and Toubro Limited or LNT Limited. It's going to help to bridge the gap up to 9.5 meter as a single span, providing 4 meter wide fully decked roadway, and will allow transfer of movement of the troops alongside. HDFC Bank has partnered with Creditas Solution to grant customized debt management solution for its loan and credit card customers. So solutions will be self-service credit portal and will provide beneficial to the customers during the pandemic situation. Who is the current MD and CEO of HDFC Bank? That is Shashidhar Jagdishan. Then we have Korean Air, which has announced as the winner of Air Transport World's ATW 2021 Airline of the Year. In appointments section, we have Union Minister Nitin Gadkari ji, who has become brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik Paint, which has been created by KVIC, and the manufacturing unit of this has been set up in KNHPI or Kumrappa National Handmade Paper Institute of Jaipur, which is a unit of KVIC. PVSLN Murthy has been appointed as a chairperson and managing director of Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited as well. He has replaced B. Paul in that, where are the headquarters of this Northeast Development Finance Corporation Limited, that is in Guwahati, Assam. Then Jim Whitehurst has resigned as the president of IBM recently. With this, we'll be winding up this segment. For more such updates, you can follow us, you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and you can download Entri app from the link which is provided below for your better preparation on high quality free test material and mock tests. See you in the next session. Till then, good luck to all of you. Have a great day ahead.